week is a different shopping trip because we were shopping for food that we can dehydrate, and we did this all under £20. So here's my receipt. As you can see, I paid £15.49 for all of this stuff. So I got some cucumbers, 2 of them. I got loads of courgettes, carrots, chilies, all different types of chilies, some really big tomatoes, some red and yellow peppers, and some different types of chilies again. We're going to be dehydrating all of these, and yeah, so we've shopped for under £20, and let's see how it all turns out.